There we go. Hi, we're here with Alan Malott, who is running for 2nd District Court. He's already sitting on the bench, and we're looking for who you are and why the voters should vote for you and keep you on the bench.
Well, thanks, Mary. I have been sitting on the bench. It's going to be a year on Tuesday, so time flies. Prior to going on the bench, I've practiced here in Albuquerque for 30 years. I was a board-certified civil trial specialist. There are fewer than 3,000, or about 3,000 in the whole country, out of close to 2 million lawyers. And I have been very well treated since I moved to Albuquerque 30 years ago, and kind of a maybe old-fashioned or maybe idealistic. I believe that it's important to give back to your community, and so I found this niche for myself last year after having practiced for such a long time, doing all kinds of different kinds of litigation and civil work. Since I am a civil judge, I sort of brought that skill with me. I believe it's important for judges to hear cases with an understanding of the real world and to hear the facts and make a decision as promptly and as fairly as you possibly can, so that people can have their problems resolved and move on. Nobody wants to spend years going round and round in a courthouse because of one technicality after another. It's important to decide cases on their issues, on their merits, and as promptly as we can. And that's another reason that I go back to my earlier answer and say how important it is to fund the courts adequately so that we can make people's decisions or people's disputes resolve in a fairly fast and a fairly effective manner.
Well, thank you. That's what the voters want to know, is who you are and why we should vote for you. So would you like to take an opportunity to ask the voters to vote for you?
Well, I do, and I appreciate all the support in the community that got me here after a very successful practice and a very happy practice here for 30 years. And I'm here every day working hard to make decisions fairly and promptly, to be fair to everyone, whether they're big or small. And I'd appreciate your support when we get down to the ballot box.